Let's repeat and copy. One, one, one. O N E. One, one. Two, two, two. T W O. Two, two. Three, three, three. T H R E E or double E. Three, three. Four, four, four. F O U R. Four, four. Five, five, five. F I V E. Five, five. Listen again, listen again, listen again, and write the word. One, one. The word one starts with O. What is the next letter? O N E. One, one. How do you write the word? O N E. One. O N E. One. O N E. One. Listen again. Write the words. Two, two. The number two starts with T sound. Two. T, two. T W O. Two, two, two. T W O. Two. T W O. Two, two, two. Listen again. Write the word. Three, three. What is the first letter for three? Exactly, it's T. T. Very good. T. What is the next letter? H. And R and double E. Three, three, three. T-H-R double E. T-H-R double E. Three, three, three. Okay. Listen again and write the word. Four, four, four. So what is the first letter for four? F. F. O. U. R. Four. Four. F-O-U-R. Four. F-O-U-R. Four. 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 Do you have 4 apples? Yeah, 4 apples. Listen again and write the word. Perfect. Let's write. How do you write number 4? Number 5. How to write number 5? So what is the first letter for 5? You know it? F. F again. So F. So what is the next letter? I. 5. I. Right. V and E. 5. 5. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 5. Let's practice. How do you sing these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, we did the first day. This was the numbers from 1 to 5. So the next day, we will come with the new lessons. Okay? Tata. See you in my next video. Bye.